don't know how this has been kept secret for so long. I thought making this type of money was for businessmen and nerdy IT guys, but boy was I wrong. In just a matter of days, I managed to make $10,000 with this website. My days as a cab driver are over.
It's now been 1 year since I started making money with Ecom Profit Sniper, and I can happily say I have made over $500,000. $523,809,044 to be exact. This website has changed everything for me, and it can change your life too. I was unsure at first, because I've been tricked by scammers in the past. But I took a leap of faith, and it paid off, big time. This is the opportunity you've been waiting for.